Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to do what to verify your Google website on Google using your cPanel. So it will be a step-by-step guide on how you can verify your website on Google through your cPanel. So that's what we are going to be doing. So if you are new to this video, all we do is about make money online. We also do into website design. We talk about website design. We also do what? Drop shipping. So these particular three things are the key things we do in this channel. So if it interests you, subscribe to this channel. For those that have subscribed, we thank you. We appreciate for having been part of this community. Thank you very much. Let's get into the video right now. Subscribe if you will. So all we are going to be doing, we first of all go to the Google console. So all you need to do, come to Google console or go to the web and search for Google console. Then it will take you to this place, Google search console. So it will take you to this page. On this page now is the page that you are going to do what? To start up. If you have not been able to create an account with Google console before, you create a new account. But if you have created an account before, then there is nothing else you need to do, just to what? Click on start now. Once you click on start now, to take you to it will just load. After loading, then it will take you to another page. So if you have not yet signed up to this Google console, it will take you to the page where you are going to sign up with your email. So once you sign up with your email, all you need to do, just get started, and then everything will just start up. It's very easy. All you need to do, just go to Google console. From Google console, to take you to where you sign up with your email. Once you sign up to your email, take you to this place like this. Now you'll be seeing this particular place we are right now. So I already have a domain name that I've registered with this particular email, but I'm going to add another email. Do you understand? If you want, like, you have 2, 3, or 4 domain names to this place now. So let me click on here. Then I click on add. I click on add property. Add property. Then all I need to do is here just to add my domain name. No, this is not the domain name. So I will just copy the domain name. Let me copy the domain name. See the domain name. So it will be without the HTTPS. To be without the HTTPS. So let me paste it. Okay, it should be here. Okay. So I will put the domain name. So then I will click on what? Continue. They say all URL across all subdomain is to be here, or across HTTPS. Say only URL entered address or. So let's continue. Enter domain or subdomain. So we have entered the domain. So we click on verify. So as you can see now what we are doing, first of all, we go there, copy our URL or the link to our website, then we come here now to paste it. So once we paste it, we are waiting for it now. So it has tell us now, okay, now we are about to verify right now. So all you need to do now is to copy this code, then we go to our cPanel in order for us to do what? To verify with this code. I've copied the link, and I'll go to my cPanel. I'm going to the cPanel. So once I reach to the cPanel, I'm waiting for the cPanel to load. And I will search for this. I will search for zone editor. So we are zone editor. It's loading. So let's just wait for it to load. So I will click on zone editor. It will load. So after loading, so it will bring up this particular place. It says DNS converter, convert DNS. So it's more like giving us simply. So it's only this now. Maybe if you have a lot of domains, you say more of this here. So we have only one domain here, domain name. There we click on it and say manage. Click on manage. Once you click on manage, then it will bring out the records that we have here. So just a minute, it's loading. It's loading. So please, if you have not subscribed, ensure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be getting awesome videos like this every single time. We drop video for you every week. We are dropping video in this channel every single week. So if it interests you to be getting values like this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So we are waiting for it to load. Waiting for it to load. So we are waiting for it to load right now. Okay, so it have loaded. So what I will click now, I click on add new record, add record. I click on add record. So I will put the domain name, here. So this is the domain name. I'll put it here, which is the domain. That is the domain name. Then here then I change here now to, sorry. So we're supposed to, here now we're supposed to have TST, then I paste the, sorry. So we go there now, copy our link again. We copy this. Then we go to our cPanel and paste it. Paste this. So we have pasted it and we have changed it. Remember, we put our domain name here. We put this here. Then we change here from, here was A before. We change it to TST. We change it to TST. Then we click on save record. So we are waiting for it to save now. After saving, then we will see the message that we have saved our domain. We have saved this record. So it said what? You have successfully saved the following TST record of this. So let's go now and see if they can verify us right now. So let's see if we are going to be verified. We say verify. Since we have done it, let's click on verify. So let's click on verify. I said what? Ownership verified. Can you see it right now? So that is how you can be able to do what? To verify your domain using this simple method. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, like at this place now, then drop your comment at the comment section below and tell me the video you want me to do for you, and I will gladly do it. Drop your comment at the comment section. Tell me the video you want me to do, or any question that you have, drop it at the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.